Ouch. She looks so hot. Can I still say tranny mess? No, that's over. Find a man, coin a phrase. It's a busy year. That's not hate. That's you dumped me, but I'm too cool to show it. But secretly, I'm listening to Air Supply's greatest hits. Into Air Supply's greatest hits.
Elena, oh my God, how are you? Oh, it's so good to see you. How is she? Is she good?
Caroline, I'm right here. And I'm fine. Thank you.
Really?
Yes. Much better.
Oh, you poor thing.
Okay, Caroline.
Oh. Okay, see you guys later?
Okay. Bye. No comment.
Take more than 2 in a 6-hour window. Hey, Vic. I knew I'd find you here with the crackheads. Hey, Vic, when's calling? He wants to know about it. When's, huh? Let's go TRL of you. Carson Daly fan?
Oh, Ty, be nice. That's Elena's little brother.
I know who he is. Still kick his ass.
What's this? All I see is back. It's a hot back. Your records are incomplete. You're missing immunization records, and we do insist on transcripts.
Please look again. I'm sure everything you need is there.
Well, you're right. So it is.
I'm sensing Seattle. And he plays the guitar.
You're really gonna run this whole psychic thing into the ground, huh? Pretty much. I'll be right back.
Please be hot.
Whoa. Hands down, chick.
Great. It's the first day of school and you're stoned.
No, I'm not.
Where is it? Is it on you?
Stop, Greg. You need to chill yourself, all right?
Kill myself? What is that, stoner talk? Dude, you were so cool.
Stop. I don't have anything on me. Are you crazy?
You haven't seen Crazy Jeremy. I gave you a summer pass, but I am done watching you destroy yourself. No. You know what? Go ahead. Keep it up. But just know that I'm going to be there to ruin your buzz every time. You got it? Jeremy, I know who you are. And it's not this person. So don't be this person.
I don't need this.